Hi, I'm Luda from Mission Lean, and today I'm going to talk about the Lean Healthy Breakfast. A healthy breakfast composed of the best breakfast foods can make getting lean much easier than you thought. It could help you manage your energy levels throughout the day, control your cravings, and eat better overall. Let's start with what you shouldn't do or eat first. The worst foods you could eat for breakfast are heavy and will weigh you down for the rest of the day. I'm talking about eggs, bacon, potatoes, and hash browns, and even yogurt. You want to start your day light and energized. If you are working out first thing in the morning, you definitely don't want to eat any of these heavy foods because you don't want your body preoccupied with digestion. You want it to be able to perform a great workout. You can nourish your body with the food that it needs after you've worked out. And even then, it's unlikely you will want to be eating bacon after a hard workout. If you're not working out in the morning, then you definitely don't need all of that food and calories first thing in the morning. You're better off eating light and having a substantial lunch later. If you eat something heavy in the morning, you will probably feel sluggish. If you feel sluggish, you won't have a great workout. If you don't have a great workout, you will continue to feel tired and foggy the rest of the day. It's a chain reaction. You want to start your morning off strong. Set up your mood, your energy levels, and your mental clarity for the rest of the day with a light breakfast and a great workout. When you work out, you want your body to be burning already stored fat anyways, not the calories from the food that you just consumed. If you don't feel great in the morning, it's unlikely you will feel better as the day goes on with its stresses and problems. So make the most of your mornings and start each one off right. So what's a better breakfast? It's better to eat a piece of toast with some avocado and a piece of fruit. A few bites of oatmeal with a small handful of nuts and dates should give you plenty of energy to start your day. Basically, keep your breakfast light. There are a lot of foods that people think are great breakfast options, but actually are not. Skip the cereal or anything prepackaged like granola and yogurt. People think cereal is healthy, but most cereal products are loaded with added sugars and are heavily processed. Plus, there's always some preservatives in there. Otherwise, how would they stay on the shelf for so long? Not to mention, they never fill you up. Choose a bowl of home-cooked oatmeal instead. It takes about 10 minutes to make or less, and you can make it the night before and eat it cold with some fruit and cinnamon, or reheat it if you prefer. People also think granola bars and protein bars are healthy, but they are basically candy bars, remarketed. Would you start your day off with a Snickers? For the calories, you could have a big bowl of oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Way healthier and just as quick to prepare if you plan ahead. Now that you know all about breakfast, check out our free nutrition guide available on our website, missionlean.com. Let me know what you thought of the video by commenting below and giving a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the site for even more free resources, recipes, and workouts. And of course, download our app, Mission Lean, from the App Store if you want to get started with your lean body transformation right away.